Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Aimlabs for Marvel Rivals. First, ensure your Aimlab sensitivity precisely matches your in-game settings for a seamless transition. You can find many community-created scenarios specifically tailored for Marvel Rivals heroes and their unique abilities. This setup is crucial for effective practice, allowing you to build muscle memory that directly translates to better performance in the game. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes on this initial configuration. Now, let's dive into core aim training. Focus on flick shots to rapidly snap onto enemies, which is vital for high-impact abilities. Next, refine your tracking aim to maintain continuous damage on moving targets, a skill essential for many ranged heroes. Don't forget target switching drills. These help you efficiently engage multiple opponents in fast-paced team fights. Dedicate at least 20 minutes daily to these fundamental exercises for noticeable improvement. To truly excel, tailor your training to specific Marvel Rivals heroes. For projectile users like Iron Man, practice leading targets in scenarios that simulate their unique weapon speeds. If you prefer melee heroes, focus on close-quarters combat drills to improve your precision and movement in tight spaces. Many custom maps are available that replicate hero-specific combat situations, allowing you to master each character's distinct playstyle. This targeted approach maximizes your practice efficiency. Finally, let's talk about advanced strategies and consistency. Integrate reaction time drills to sharpen your reflexes, giving you a crucial edge in sudden engagements. Regularly review your Aimlabs performance analytics. These insights will pinpoint specific areas needing improvement, such as accuracy or speed. Most importantly, maintain a consistent training schedule, even if it's just 15 to 20 minutes daily. Steady practice is the key to long-term skill development and dominance in Marvel Rivals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.